And so they took the inspiration of the design, you know, the 4 stripes on the side, the matte black, the big Scrambler Ducati Desert Sled logo with the X on the side to kind of show its off-road prowess, along with the Fast House logo subtly placed below it in that kind of matte gray.
A beautiful machine that we're all proud of.
Yeah, I'm excited because this is something that anybody that wants a piece of that story, they get a chance to own.
Yeah, a little piece of history, a little modern day, and you know, when you throw your leg over it, you look cool riding it, and we all want to look that way.
Yeah.
And it's just loving it and so proud to be a part of it.
When you guys brought it,
well,
I mean, you brought it in spades.
Well, I mean, our team here, I mean, they were all over it, and you know, we didn't have too much time to get everything put together, but came out awesome.
And the cool thing about this is that we're only building 800 of these bikes. The concept is that we were going to be returning to the Mint 400 earlier this year, and we wanted to make sure that we wanted to limit it because it's something special. We didn't want it to just be a regular production bike, but something that people, when they're going down the road for that 1 year of this bike being out, that they know that they've got something that's unique. So the Desert Sled was this concept that basically we took the original Scrambler and said, we really want to be able to take this bike off-road. So we made some mechanical modifications to the bike. Basically, we took the frame and braced it down so where it bolts up to the swing arm in the engine, and then a longer swing arm on the bike, and really put a more robust suspension for real off-road riding. And I think the concept is that, you know, you'd be able to take this bike on fire roads and on those sorts of things, you know, you're riding on the asphalt, but then when you see a cool dirt road, you want to take it, it's not going to limit you.
Exactly, because I've been out on the road before, just, you know, I see something, I want to just go over there and check it out. It's perfect, peel off, and catch a little, you know, catch a little dirt action.
Catch a little dirt, slide, discover whatever you're going to do out there. It's just such a fun motor. I mean, that air-cooled twin motor has so much character. You know, even as technology advances, in my opinion, there's a place for that motor because it's so much fun to ride. It just, and that's why we do it, right? I mean, it's about that smile that you get when you're riding.
It's definitely got enough horsepower.
The horsepower wasn't an issue.
Was not an issue, and it was just something else.
And how cool is it that that story that we put together has now turned into a bike that everyone out there, well, I shouldn't say everyone, 800 people get an opportunity to own something that actually came from this moment, this story.
I know, that is just, I can't put it in words, really. It's just, it's really special. We're all so excited here at Fast House just to be a part of it. And it just, you know, feels good inside.